Morning. Namaste to all. Today I would like to introduce a famous book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, written by this gentleman. He is Dale Carnegie, one of the best trainers that the world has ever saw. And here is the essence of how to win friends and influence people, written by Dale Carnegie for you. This book is based on Dale Carnegie's lectures on business and personal relations and contains 4 parts. He is a great public speaker. He also wrote a book called How to Speak Before People on Public Speaking. So he gave so many lectures on business and personal relations, and all the essence of the lectures is compiled as this book. It has 4 parts: techniques in handling people, ways to make people like you, how to win people over to your way of thinking, and how to change people's behavior without causing resentment. It is very important to go hand in hand with the teams today. That is why the need of this book and the understanding the essence of the book is very important for us. The main idea of the book is that people want to be appreciated and feel important. It should be noted, everybody likes to be recognized, and that by praising them and encouraging them to do their best, we can improve their behaviors and attitudes and our effectiveness with others. This is the main theme idea of the book. And here are some of the key principles on the book. The very first principle is don't criticize, condemn or complain about others. We have to remember this thing. This is the golden rule in public relations. Don't criticize, condemn or complain about others, as it only puts them on the defensive and makes them resentful. Give honest and sincere appreciation to others, as it feeds their desire for importance and motivates them to do better. Here we have to note one important point: honest and sincere appreciation, not lip service. If you want to appreciate somebody, you have to appreciate within your heart. It should be from your deep in your heart. Because if it is not true and sincere, other people will feel humiliated. The effort of appreciation will go away. So please give honest and sincere appreciation to others. And the next one is become genuinely interested in other people and show them your attention and respect. Unless you are genuinely interested in other people, the other people will not be interested in you. It is just, world is like a mirror. If you smile at it, it will smile back, and if you weep at it, it will weep back. The same principle, become genuinely interested in other people and show them your attention and respect. And another important thing is remember and use people's names, as it is the sweetest sound to them. What is the best sound for you is your name being spoken out very nicely, isn't it? So please remember to use people's names. And next one is be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves and their interests. Unless you are a good listener, you can never be a good communicator. Please be a good listener and encourage others to talk about themselves and their interests. And next one is what we usually do: avoid arguments and never tell people they are wrong, as it only makes them more stubborn and hostile. We should not tell them directly that you are wrong. No, we should find ways and means to convey the message that they are wrong in an indirect way. and we have to avoid arguments at all costs. Next one is very important thing. Admit your mistakes quickly and emphatically, as it shows your humility and sincerity. Be sincere with people. Admit your mistakes as fast as you can, as quick as you can, and emphatically. No ambiguity in it, because it makes you more humble and more sincere. Begin in a friendly way and show respect for the other's opinions. Yes, be friendly and you will be befriended by everybody. And please show respect for other person's opinions also. Maybe you may be not liking their opinion, but it is their opinion, and as they have a right to express their opinion, we have to be friendly and patient with their opinions. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. What he thinks, what she thinks. Other person's point of view, as it helps to understand their needs and feelings. And appeal to the nobler motives of others, as it inspires them to act in a positive way. Appeal to their good sense, appeal to their human part, appeal to their ethical part, moral part of their opinions, appeal to their such kind of brain which is always nobler, because it inspires them to act in a positive way. Praise every improvement that others make, no matter how small, as it reinforces their confidence and progress. This is particularly very applicable to children. We have to praise every improvement, however small it is, and appreciate them. Then it builds up their confidence and reinforces their progress. Give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. Give him a good name, and he will live up to it, as it challenges them to improve themselves. And next one, these are the key points of this book. Now, this book has been widely acclaimed as one of the best self-help books ever written. Self-improvement, personality development, whatever it is, whatever you may call it, this comes in the top, top rank. And it has influenced millions of people around the world. It teaches valuable lessons on how to deal with people effectively and positively, and how to achieve personal and professional success. This book can be easily downloaded free from the internet, and I request you to read this PDF again. This small PDF containing 2 pages. The essence I have taken away very carefully. I have squeezed the essence of the book and presented it before you. And if you want to read the original book, I have the PDF with me. You may request me to send it to you, and I will definitely send it to you. Thank you very much for your patience for listening this, and I will try to introduce at least a book in 2-3 weeks like that. Thank you very much.